There are many interesting conversations here, so please watch the full video. So, let's start. Hello, is this Mr. Sharma?
Yes, it is.
This is Raj from the local market. I am calling to confirm your order.
Yes, I did order some vegetables.
Okay, so you ordered 2 kilos of potatoes, 1 kilo of tomatoes, and 1 bunch of cilantro. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, your order will be ready in about an hour. I will call you back when it's ready.
Okay, thank you.
You are welcome. An hour later, the calling person calls back. Hello, Mr. Sharma, your order is ready. Can I come and deliver it to you?
Yes, that would be great. I am at home right now.
Okay, I will be there in 15 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
15 minutes later, the calling person arrives at Mr. Sharma's home. Hello, Mr. Sharma, I am here with your order.
Okay, come in.
The calling person brings the order into the house. Here you go, Mr. Sharma. 2 kilos of potatoes, 1 kilo of tomatoes, and 1 bunch of cilantro.
Thank you.
You are welcome. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's all.
Okay, then I will be going.
Okay, thank you.
Hello, I would like to make a reservation for 2 people.
Sure. What time would you like the reservation for?
8 p.m. please.
Okay, I have a table available for you then. What name would the reservation be under?
My name is John.
Okay, Mr. John. Your reservation is confirmed. Your table will be ready in about 15 minutes. Would you like to wait in a bar or the lunch?
The bar is fine.
Okay, please have a seat and I will let you know when your table is ready.
15 minutes later.
Mr. John, your table is ready.
Thank you. This is a nice restaurant.
Thank you. We are glad you like it. Hello, my name is Raj. Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I would like a glass of water, please.
Okay, I will bring that right away.
Looks at the menu. This is all looks delicious.
I know, right? I can't decide what to order.
I think I am going to get the chicken tikka masala.
That sounds good. I think I will get the lamb biryani.
The waiter returns with the water.
Here is your water. Can I take your order now?
Yes, I would like the chicken tikka masala, please.
And I will have the lamb biryani. Okay, your order will be right out.
The waiter leaves. So, what have you been up to lately?
Not much, just working and spending time with my family.
That sounds nice. I have been busy with work too.
I hear you. It's hard to find time for anything else these days.
I know, right? But it's worth it, I guess.
Definitely.
The waiter returns with the food.
Here is your food. Enjoy.
Thank you. The customer and their friends start eating. This is delicious.
I told you it was good.
I am so glad I came here.
Me too.
The customer and their friend finish eating. That was the best meal I have had in a long time.
I agree. We should come here again sometime.
Definitely. Hey, how are you?
I am good. Thanks. What about you?
I am doing well too. I just got back from a trip to Delhi.
Oh, nice. How was it?
It was great. I visited the Red Fort, the Jama Masjid, and the Akshardham temple.
Wow, those are all amazing places. I have always wanted to go to Delhi.
You should definitely go. It's a really beautiful city.
I will. What are you up to today?
Not much. I am just planning to relax and read a book.
Sounds like a good plan. I am going to go grocery shopping later.
Okay, I will see you later then.
Bye.
Hello, good morning. I would like to check in for my flight to Mumbai.
Good morning, sir. Can I have your name and the flight number, please?
My name is Raj and my flight number is 123.
Okay, Mr. Raj, your flight is departing from gate 12 at 10 a.m. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir. What is the security check for international flights?
It's over there, sir.
Thank you. Hello, sir. I have a carry on bag and a laptop.
Okay, sir. Please put your bag and laptop on the conveyor belt.
Okay.
You can take your things now.
Thank you. Hello, sir. I am traveling to Mumbai.
Okay, sir. Please show me your passport and visa.
Here you go, sir.
Okay, sir. You are good to go.
Thank you, sir. Excuse me, sir. Where is the gate 12?
It's over there, sir.
Thank you. Hello, sir. I am here for flight 123 to Mumbai.
Okay, sir. Your flight is boarding now. Please go to lane 1.
Thank you. Hello, madam. I am in seat 12A.
Okay, sir. I will show you to your seat. Is there anything else I can help you with, sir?
No, thank you. I hope this flight goes smoothly. Good morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Please take your seat. Today we will be discussing the solar system.
What is the solar system, sir?
The solar system is a group of planets, moons, asteroids, comets, and dust that orbit the sun.
How many planets are there in the solar system, sir?
There are 8 planets in the solar system: Mercury, Venus, Mars, Earth, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
What is the largest planet in the solar system, sir?
Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system.
What is the smallest planet in the solar system, sir?
Mercury is the smallest planet in the solar system. Does anyone have any other questions about the solar system?
No, sir.
Okay. If you really want to improve your English, if you really want to speak in English, so you can follow this channel. We will upload that type of video every single day. Please support me. Please subscribe and press on the bell icon. Like, comment, and share.